It is common for us as investors to have liabilities, but liabilities in the form of debt is not advisable. If you see, most people who use this credit card fall into this debt trap quite often. So, we have our investment expert Mr. Gurraj with us who will enlighten us on how to use our credit cards wisely and also on the financial approach that help us reduce our debts considerably. Gurraj, the stage is all yours.
This is very important. Managing your debt is very, very important. If you are using credit cards to make your payment and you only do a part payment because they want a minimum of some 5% or something, right? So they'll be very happy to roll it over. They don't want you to pay completely every month, right? Because credit card, the minimum interest rate is anywhere between 18 to 20%. Even equity investments will not give you 18%. You are giving him 18%, right? So the credit card should be purely used to repay on the due date. That's all. You are getting 1 month of rolling period. So use that. The second benefit of using credit card is you have to bill your CIBIL score, right? So for that, it is useful. So if you pay regularly on time, then your score also, credit score improves. Then you will get loans on better terms. So that way it is fine. But if you are not going to make the payment fully, because you'll be paying a huge interest, right? So never get into this habit of buying through credit card and making only a partial payment. If you are going to make a partial payment, please don't use credit card. Postpone the purchase of the item. That will save you money, save you cost of paying this interest also, right? We always say, right, there will be always an urge, especially when you see in these festival days, all this Amazon, Flipkart, they announce so many discount schemes, right? And we are tempted, Arey, we're getting at 40% discount, 50% discount, really worth it. When the best thing you have to do in these times is just put it in your cart and then wait for a couple of days and see whether you would still buy it, because that day you might be tempted to go and buy for it, but once you put in the cart and then wait for a couple of days and see you really want to buy that product, then you can think about it. See, these are some of the minor things which you can do to at least improve your savings, right? And many of the people I still see even in office and other places, they take personal loan to meet the any cash crunch, right? Maybe they will borrow at 11% and pay the credit card bill and then start paying EMI for the personal loan. All this jugad we call in Hindi, sometimes people keep doing. Because don't get into that habit, because that will eat away all your savings, because you'll be only working, earning, paying the EMIs, and end of the day you find that, boss, that product life is also not there. Because all these, many of the products we buy are depreciating products, right? For example, how many of us will use a mobile phone after 3 or 4 years? We'll throw that phone and buy a new phone, right? So the life of any of these products is not more than 3 to 5 years. So ultimately, we end up throwing that product, and we would have paid high interest for buying it. So avoid that and make it a habit. Check whatever debt you have today, if you have with you, check for which you are paying the highest interest, clear that, and then the next higher interest. Because these are some of the things which will help you to save you more. So you can't say your income could be regular standard income, right? It is only the expenses which can help you to save more. So when it comes to expenses, all these things matter. Or you should be in a position to work more and get additional income. Today, this moonlighting has become a hot topic for the IT guys. So obviously, whether you can do that or not, that's a question mark. So it is easier to control your expenses than the getting additional income. So I'll say that work on the debt management. Even otherwise, also at any stage in life, man, the more quickly you become debt free, better your life will be.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.